babies, it's StylesbyReeRachelle here with another hair tutorial. And if y'all want to see how I achieve this look, stay tuned to the video. I like to do a special shout out to all the women in the world, the hard workers, the college students, the everyday women, the baby mamas, the every woman in the world. I want to just salute y'all because today is Women's Day. Also, it's Tuesday, Transformational Day with StylesbyReeRachelle. Stay tuned to the video. Do not forget to like and subscribe, and let's go. I don't know how y'all want to do it, but if y'all want to put braids in just so it can be flatter. But for me, I'm putting my famous ponytail in. So I have my cap. It's tan color. You can get it at your local beauty supply store. And what you're going to do is just basically, if you want for extra security of the cap, you can sew it on the back. Sew the back of the cap down so that, you know, the cap can be secured on the back, because the front is going to be secured from the glue that I put on top of the perimeter here. As y'all can see, it's like a little space that y'all see. And that's the space that you have to have to protect your real hair from getting damaged from any glue or any excess products. So I'm going to continuously sew my hair down the perimeter, and next I'm going to just apply my wig. So I'm using for the glue bond is most definitely the Boho. Y'all know I love Boho. I don't even use any other product but Boho. But I love using this because it is most definitely a good glue. And if you have not ever used it, I recommend that you go use it, okay? So next, what I'm going to do is just basically add a little bit more dots onto my head just to make sure that I have enough coverage of glue. I like to do a little bit of like 3 to 4 coats just to make sure that, you know, it's, you know, covered and I have enough product so that my lace will stick. So y'all, I didn't even tell y'all that I am using one of my wigs from my collection, which is located at www.StylesbyReeRachelle.com. If y'all would like to purchase one, feel free to check out my collection. The wig that I'm about to install is the Life Unit. I did reuse it, and I'm putting this on my second time. So it's, you know, it's not gonna look like this once y'all order it. Once y'all order it, it's gonna be pre-made. Baby hair is plucked and styled, okay? But right now, that's what I'm about to do, just to show y'all how it can look when you order. So right now, I'm just gonna blow dry my hair and make sure that, you know, everything is dry, because I did have to wash it because it is reused, as I stated. Going to go ahead and continuously blow dry my hair and get to flat ironing it. So I'm just going to pre-flat iron first. I like to flat iron all through the hair first just to make sure that it is flat and straight. And I'm going to just pop some slight curls in there. And y'all going to see the ended product in a minute. I feel like wigs are a must-have. If you don't have a wig, y'all, I don't know, what are you waiting for? Like, you should at least have one wig that you could pop on, just in case, you know, somebody asks you, do you want to go out or not? So in the middle of my hair, I have to just go ahead and get the flat irons and the pressing comb, because it needs to get flat, honey. Like, I washed it and it needs to get back to the way it was. So sometimes you have to go in and pluck more, and also just make sure that you are, you know, making sure that it's flat as possible. I like my wigs to be look natural, so that is always my goal. So this is what I'm looking like after I did a pre-flat iron, then did just my little baby hairs, you know, all that good stuff. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and pop in some curls. Right now I'm just freehanding my curls, y'all. Just going through each and every section, curling away from the face. And I'm just gonna continue finishing up on a curl, and this is the final look, you guys. Thank you for watching Transformational Tuesday with me, and happy Women's Day once again. Thanks for watching. If you like the wig, check out www.StylesbyReeRachelle.com.